Little yellow pear tomatoes. I love little yellow pear tomatoes. They are not red or round like other tomatoes. They are yellow and pear-shaped, and they come out of our garden. They are so small and they are so big. Not because of their size, but because of what's inside. A lot of not a tomato things are in these little yellow pear tomatoes. Daddy plants them for me. He tills the soil and puts up stakes for them to lean against. Without him, they would not be in our garden. My daddy is in these little yellow pear tomatoes. Mommy pulls the weeds. She makes room for all the young plants to grow. Without her, the weeds would cover them up. My mommy is in these little yellow pear tomatoes. Ladybugs and earthworms live in our garden. They keep away pests and dig tunnels in the ground. Without ladybugs and earthworms, the leaves on our plants would get eaten and their roots couldn't breathe. Ladybugs and earthworms are in these little yellow pear tomatoes. Clouds water our garden with rain. Lakes and rivers give their water to the sky to make into clouds. Without fresh water, our plants could not live. Clouds and lakes and rivers and sky are in these little yellow pear tomatoes. The sun gives its energy to each leaf, making it strong and green. The leaves turn this energy into life for the whole plant. Without the sun, our plants would wither and die. The sun is in these little yellow pear tomatoes. The sun is a star, and everything needed to make a planet is found in the hearts of stars. Without them, there would be no earth or skies or rivers, no daddies to till the rich, dark soil, no tomato seeds. Stars are in these little yellow pear tomatoes. All these not a tomato things, my daddy, my mommy, bugs and worms, clouds and sky, lakes and rivers, the sun and stars, are parts of the tomato you cannot see. Take away any one and the little yellow pear tomatoes in my garden could not be. With so much in them, you would think these tomatoes would be huge, but they aren't. I can carry 4 or 5 in my hand and pop them into my mouth one by one. I am in these little yellow pear tomatoes too, because if I didn't love eating them so much, my daddy wouldn't plant them. Each little yellow pear tomato has the entire earth and all of heaven in it, just like me. I love little yellow pear tomatoes.